Our family
Wait,
saved our
Dad,
ostrich egg.
this is not. What did you put in here?
It's
Oh
too big.
my God.
If you like this type of videos, please help them and please like and subscribe this channel now.
Watching you stand alone.
Carefully.
All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer.
So cute.
I
Oh my
die
gosh.
every day